dancing in a crowded room. You look so happy when I'm... Hi and welcome to the channel. Let's first take a look at the chords contained in this song. So you will have the C major composed of the C, the E, and the G, and the bass note of C. Then the D minor composed of the D, the F, and the A, and the bass note of D. Then the E minor composed of the E, the G, and the B, and the bass note of E. Next, the G major composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. Then the F major composed of the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of F. And eventually the A minor composed of the E, the A, and the C, and the bass note of A. Before you continue this lesson, I strongly recommend downloading the PDF sheet associated with this song. You will find the link in the description box. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. So let me display the corresponding table for you. And you're gonna play the C major like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And you're gonna do this 16 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? And then we'll move on to the verse. So here's the corresponding table, and good news, you will be keeping the same method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And with the lyric, I saw you dancing in a crowded room. You look so happy when I'm not with you. And you repeat. But then you saw me, caught you by surprise. A single teardrop falling from your eye. So, you played this table twice, and to finish the verse, you will need to repeat that table 6 times in a row, so 8 times in total. You will then be able to move on to the pre-chorus with this new table, and directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this. Take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. And chorus. So here's the corresponding table, and as you can see, you'll be pressing and holding the first 2 chords for 4 beats, and then resume with the method. Save your tears for another day. You repeat. Save your tears for another day. Right after that, you move on to the second verse, which will be played exactly like the first one. So by repeating the corresponding table 8 times, then you move on to the pre-chorus, which will be twice as long. So play the pre-chorus table twice instead of once, and then play the chorus as you just did. Here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. After the second chorus, you will reach the bridge, and you can use this table, which is none other than the verse table, and repeat it twice. You can then finish the song by playing the chorus table in a loop. I will see you tomorrow for the entire song of the Weeknd in a schematic form. Good luck to you. Take care. Ciao.